Want to save money fast without feeling restricted? In this video, I'm sharing 5 super tips that you can start using today to keep more money in your pocket. Whether you're saving for something big or you just want to stretch your pocket. These tips are simple and super effective. Let's get right into it. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Casey and I teach young people like myself how to build wealth the right way. Today we are diving into 5 easy tips you can start using today to save money fast. Whether you're planning for something big or you're just looking to free up some extra cash, these tips that I'm about to share with you will help you. Tip number 1: automate your savings. The easiest way to do this is to set up a recurring transfer on your phone that goes directly into your savings account. You could set it up weekly, daily, or monthly, depending on how you earn. Here is how you set up a recurring transfer. I'll be using Money Points for this video. You select or write the amount you want to transfer. You see this part where it says make a recurring transfer. You select that. It shows you more option. You choose a name for the action. I use saving stroke investment for this, and you scroll down. You select how frequent you want it. I choose daily. You select the time. I like to use 10 a.m. because it helps me pay myself first before I pay any other person or any. So I set the time 10 a.m. I select the start date and the end date. I would use 2026 for the end date. So it's just pretty easy. You select this part that says transfer what is available if the money there is not up to what you want to be investing every day. Just pretty easy. Then you put your pin. And why this is very important is some days you forget that you actually have to send money into your savings account. But with this recurring transfer, it just does the job for you. Tip number 2: cut unnecessary subscriptions. Some of you have over 4 or 5 different music platform subscriptions running on your account. You pay for the gym every month and you only attend like 2 3 times whenever you feel like. If you don't really need it, then stop paying for it. You have friends that have got Netflix, yet you still go to buy Netflix subscription when about 3 4 of you can just come together and pay one subscription, and everybody has a password to the Netflix and everybody is watching from that same subscription. It might seem like a little money, but if you can cut down on this unnecessary subscription, you would see that it will be easier and helpful in your goal to save money fast. It's important to cut down on unnecessary subscriptions. If you're not going to go to the gym, then don't pay for the membership. Now, tip number 3: cook more at home. A lot of us is guilty of this one, including me at some point in my life. But it's important. If you can cook more at home, it's going to help you save a lot of money and real fast. Especially for those people that don't even live in places where you get cheaper restaurants. When you live in places where the only access you have is to Kilimanjaro, Chicken Republic, and all those big bookers, you know how much you can spend in bookers like that just to eat one meal. You spend over 10,000 naira to 15,000 naira just to eat one meal. And then when you run your calculations in a month, you see that you're spending almost everything you're earning just in a restaurant. It's only going to take you one day of the week to cook about 3 4 different meals, put it in your refrigerator. Even if you later have to buy something, it will just be, little stuffs, fruits, small chops, and all of that. So learn to cook more at home. It's going to help you save money faster. Now, tip number 4: use cashback and coupons. Sometimes you want to shop from your favorite website and they are giving you a free coupon code that you can use to get like 50% cash back or 20% cash back. And a lot of you, you're doing big boy. You don't need it. You don't have to need it. But if you're looking to save money fast, then learn to use coupons like that to, some of you, your OPay have given you cash back of over 10,000, 15,000 naira, yet you still go and buy airtime with your actual balance. When you can just simply use your cash back that is available to you, you still pay subscriptions with your actual balance because you feel it is little money. Some of you don't even want to understand what cashbacks are, and you just want to pay and just move on. Some of you, you hear Black Friday, but you just want to pay the exact amount that you know you normally pay. You don't want to. If you're looking to build and save money fast, you must learn to use coupons, whichever means is going to help you save, even if it's 10 naira, even if it's 1,000 naira, as long as it's going to help you save something, always make use of it. And finally, tip number 5, track your spending. Yes, track your spending. It is very important. This might sound like the obvious one, but trust me, a lot of people don't do this. You can use apps, the applications you can use in tracking your spending. You can also use a notebook. Personally, I like to use the note on my iPhone. You can always use a notebook. You can write it down. Write out everything you actually spend on for the month. And when you actually go through that thing you've written down, you see those things that you don't really need, that you actually spent a lot of money on. Some of them, they are not actually a lot of money, but when you calculate what your frequent paying for that thing, your frequent spending on that thing, and then you see that in a whole month you're spending a lot of money on that little debit. So it's very important. Track your spending. If you don't need something, if it's not a need, then you don't have to buy it. If it's not a need, then you don't have to pay for it. If it's not an essential need, then you don't really have to swipe that card. If it can be taken over to another month, then why not take it over to another month? You don't really need it. There's this trick I use. If I feel like I need to buy something, you know, I don't buy it immediately. I wait for 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours. If I still feel like I need to buy that thing, then I go ahead and buy it. But after that 48 hours, most times you find out that you don't really need that thing. It is just the joy and the urge to get that thing at that moment. So if you can use that, it's going to help you to cut down on spending on a lot of unneeded stuffs. So learn to track your expenses. This will help you to save money real fast. Those are the 5 easy tips to help you start saving money fast. Remember, the key to financial success is consistency. Start small, stay disciplined, and you will see the result over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take control of your money and take control of your future.